So 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser hybrid cooling fan filters. Okay, to service these, there's going to be two of them. They're located in these panels right here, one on this side and one on the other side over there. Now to get to the filter, what we're going to have to do is we're going to need to pop up this cup holder here, and then you can pull this panel off. Now this cup holder panel can be pretty stiff. Okay, some of the Toyotas are pretty easy, but if you can get your fingernails underneath this and pop it up, you'll do it without damaging anything. But if you can't do it, you're gonna need to use like a little tool or something to get under here. And just do your best to try to not tear it up. But use a screwdriver, get under there, get my fingers underneath there and pop this thing up. Probably got to put the phone down. Come over here, let's pull this off. Turn this over. Here's your filters here. Now you can either replace these, or you can just take them and blow them out with some compressed air. That's what Toyota tells you to do. If you need a filter, there'll be a link down in the description box. This one just fell off, but it just goes on these little tabs right here. It just sticks on here. Easy, no problem. All right.